Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, our in-depth review of the 2025 MH-139, a Grey Wolf helicopter, a modern, capable, and affordable aircraft. Developed by Boeing to serve the U.S. Air Force, the MH-139, a Grey Wolf, is a twin-engine helicopter designed to replace the aging UH-1N Huey fleet. Based on proven commercial A139 platform, the Grey Wolf offers significant advancements in performance and capabilities, measuring approximately 547 feet in length, 163 feet in height, and featuring a rotor diameter of 452 feet. The MH-139 presents a robust and modern exterior design. Its sleek lines and aerodynamic profile contribute to enhanced speed and agility. The helicopter is powered by two Pratt & Whitney P6C67C turboshaft engines, each producing 1,100 shaft horsepower. This power plant enables the Grey Wolf to achieve a top speed of approximately 167 miles per hour and a range of 890 miles. With an operational ceiling of 20,000 feet, one of the standout features of the MH-139A is its increased capabilities compared to its predecessor. It boasts a 50% improvement in speed and range, a 30% larger cabin, and the ability to lift 5,000 more pounds than the legacy platform. These enhancements provide greater operational flexibility and efficiency. Inside, the Grey Wolf offers a spacious and versatile cabin that can accommodate up to 15 passengers, depending on mission requirements. The cabin is designed for maximum operational efficiency, allowing maintainers to accomplish all aircraft maintenance at the operational level. The helicopter also features state-of-the-art avionics with advanced flight deck functionality, improving situational awareness and reducing crew workload. In terms of performance, the MH-139A excels with its advanced systems, integration, and operational flexibility. It introduces full autopilot capability, reducing pilot workload and enhancing safety. The helicopter is also equipped with self-sealing crash-worthy fuel cells and ballistic protection for the cockpit and cabin floor, enhancing survivability in hostile environments. Additionally, the Grey Wolf can be armed with two M240 762 mm machine guns, depending on mission requirements. Regarding cost, the MH-139A offers significant savings over its life cycle. Its lower operating costs, increased reliability, and improved maintainability translate into more than $1 billion in savings for the Air Force. Across the aircraft's life cycle, the Air Force initially planned to acquire up to 84 MH-139 but has since reduced that number to 42, focusing deployment at key bases. In summary, the 2025 MH-139, a Grey Wolf helicopter, represents a significant advancement in military aviation. Its modern design, enhanced performance, spacious interior, and cost-effectiveness make it a valuable asset to the U.S. Air Force as it continues to replace the aging UH-1N fleet. The Grey Wolf is poised to play a crucial role in modernizing the Air Force's helicopter capabilities. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next video.